Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Cheston McElhaney, the rig hand and reality TV personality you might remember from Black Gold. After the show, many fans have wondered, where is he now? Let's break it all down. Cheston McElhaney appeared on Black Gold, a reality series that followed roughneck workers in the oil fields around Texas and Oklahoma. He worked for CDM Oil and Gas LLC and was known for his hard-working attitude and the high-stakes environment of drilling and servicing oil rigs. The show offered an inside look at the risky, physically demanding world of extraction and fieldwork. Following his time on Black Gold, Cheston seems to have kept active in the oil and gas industry. According to his professional profile, he transitioned into a role with CDM Oil and Gas in Dallas, leveraging his field experience into operations and management. His social media presence highlights his continuing ties to the industry and the network of field professionals he works with. Where is Cheston now? As of now, Cheston McElhaney is based out of Dallas, Texas, working with CDM Oil and Gas, LLC. He maintains a public profile on Instagram under @Chestondon7, where he shares glimpses of his work, daily life, and personal interests. Although he stepped away from reality TV cameras, he remains engaged in the oil field world and has quietly built a career beyond the show's spotlight. Cheston McElhaney's journey illustrates something many reality TV stars experience. The show brings the spotlight, but the real work continues long after. He's moved into a more stable phase of his career, staying rooted in the oil industry world he knows. For fans of Black Gold, it's good to see one of the hardy field workers doing well behind the scenes.